In the midst of destruction and chaos, we find ourselves grappling with the same timeless questions that the ancient philosophers contemplated centuries ago. Cut to footage of people supporting each other amidst the wreckage. Epictetus, a former slave who rose to become one of history's most renowned philosophers, imparted wisdom that resonates more deeply now than ever before. First law: focus on what you can control. The apocalypse may have stripped away much from us, but it cannot take away our power to choose how we respond. In this bleak new world, we have control over our attitudes, our decisions, and most importantly, how we treat one another. Second law: education is an ongoing journey. Epictetus taught that true wisdom is not solely derived from books, but from the application of knowledge to the challenges of life. Music swells with hope. We must now assume the roles of both philosophers and survivors. Every new skill acquired is a triumph amidst the chaos. Third law: we are all interconnected. Epictetus believed in the intrinsic nature of humans to offer support to one another. In this new reality, this truth becomes our means of survival. Fourth law: embrace the present reality. We may long for the world as it once was, but we have the power to forge something new from the ashes of what has been lost. Fifth law: seek opportunity in the face of adversity. Every obstacle presents an opportunity to demonstrate our resilience, resourcefulness, and compassion. The apocalypse has not brought an end to our story. Instead, it has marked the beginning of a new chapter. And just like Epictetus, we can find freedom, even in the most trying of circumstances. Sixth law: live in accordance with your principles. When everything else is stripped away, our values act as our guiding light. Courage, wisdom, compassion, these now form our new currency. Final law: remember your power. While we may not hold sway over the stars, we do have control over our response to them. In this new world, this makes all the difference. The world may have undergone a profound transformation, but the indomitable human spirit endures. As Epictetus taught us, it's not what happens to you, but how you respond that truly matters. Our greatest strength lies in our ability to chart our own course forward.